Hi everyone, welcome to another video from the Children's Museum of New Hampshire. Today I am sharing an art project with you, and we are going to be making some tie-dye butterflies. And this is a really fun process art project where we're focusing more on the process and how this project works rather than what our finished product really looks like. Although the nice thing about this one is you do also get a really cool finished product. The process along the way is just so much fun that I bet your young artists will be wanting to do it again and again and again. So the things that you need for this project are some of the basket coffee filters. The white ones work the best, although if you have the brown ones, they would probably work fine as well. You need some washable markers, and you need either some of I have these little post-it like page markers, or if you have pipe cleaners, those would work too to make some antenna for our butterflies. And you also need a cup with a teeny tiny little bit of water in it, a pencil and a binder clip, and a clothespin for the end. So the first thing you're going to do is invite your young artists to decorate their coffee filter. And I have found through making a few of these that if you do some like thicker lines on your coffee filter, that looks really cool when it has tie-dyed. And I also like to do a circle design. Not necessary, all the colors, just like tie-dye, you know, bleed together, so it doesn't really matter what kind of design you do. You could even draw pictures, as long as you understand that the picture won't look the same once it's been tie-dyed with the water. And so just draw a little picture all around your coffee filter, just like that. Here's what mine look like. Ooh. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to fold up your coffee filter. You fold it in half, maybe three times. So you get this, a triangle shape like this. Then what you're going to do is clip your binder clip on top and leave a little room in that binder clip to put your pencil. So it looks like this. The pencil is just going to help us hold our coffee filter on top of the cup when we put it in the water. And what you want is when you put your coffee filter in the water, you just want the very bottom, the teeniest little bit of the tip of that triangle to be touching the water. And when you watch closely, you'll see that the water quickly starts creeping up your coffee filter and blending those colors together and making them look kind of tie-dye. So we'll check on that one in a minute. But when you're done, it will look something like this, or this, depending on how you colored your coffee filter. And then you get to turn this into a butterfly. So you can make as many of these little coffee filters as you want. What you want to make sure you do is wait till they're completely dry before you turn it into your butterfly. And that should take 15 minutes maybe for these to totally dry out. And when you let them dry, I put mine on this cookie sheet drying pan. I found that if I put it on paper towel, the paper towel sucked up a lot of the color, so I liked lying it down on that drying tray instead. So once you have your coffee filter all dry, you want to scrunch it up like this so that it looks like wings. Take your clothespin and clip that on there. We're starting to look like a butterfly. I took 2 of these little post-it pieces and folded them up so that they kind of look like antenna. And get those guys to stick. Oops. Let's see. There we go. Get those guys to stick in there. Come on, guys. There we go. So then your butterfly has these little antennae. And then the last thing you want to do is give your butterfly a happy face. So that is our art project. If we can take a look here, see our triangle, our water is traveling up and it's showing us all kinds of cool colors with this one that we were just making. So I'll unfold that in a bit, see how that looks. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful time making some tie-dye coffee filter butterflies. These will cheer up our homes for spring. And if you make butterflies, you can tag us or share some pictures. We would love to see them. And we hope you have a great time with this art project. Bye!